Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Then go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now go to Archive. Tap on the Archive story. And here you can see highlight option. Click on it. Name the highlight and tap on add. And that is how you can add highlights on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.